Hello guys, I am Golitha with Planet Science. In this video lesson, I hope to discuss with you about the major leaf parts and major stem parts belonging to the leaf area. And here, as I mentioned before, I hope to discuss the major parts of the leaf, plant leaf. When I draw that leaf, we can simply draw the plant leaf like that. In here, mainly this is the leaf tip. This is the leaf tip, the end of the leaf. And this leaf margin can name it as leaf margin, very simply. And this all leaf area, with that veins and leaf tip, leaf margin, this all area we can identify and name as this whole area can name as the lamina. Or we have another name for that. It's leaf blade. Leaf blade. This is leaf tip, this is leaf margin, and this whole area we can name as the lamina or leaf blade. And this area, we can identify this area and we can name it as the leaf base. Don't confuse with that. This is the leaf blade and this is the leaf base area, basement of the leaf. And as I mentioned in the previous video, this part help to connect this leaf with the stem. This is the leaf petiole. This is leaf petiole. And more than that parts, we discuss more. We can identify major three venal parts. This is the major vein which help to transport the solutions and the water. This we can call it as the midrib. Most importantly, we can find out only one midrib per one leaf. This is the major part, and we can call it as the primary vein. This is a similar name for that. This is primary vein. And from that primary vein, we can find out several veins like that. We can call it as secondary veins. Can call it as secondary veins. We can find out more than one secondary veins per one leaf. More than one secondary veins per one leaf. Can only find out one primary vein, but secondary veins we can find out more secondary veins than the primary vein. And from that secondary veins we can find out some other veins like that. We can call it as these small veins as tertiary veins. Also, we have more than one tertiary veins per one leaf. More than one tertiary veins per one leaf. And when we move into the major stem parts belonging to the leaf, we can clear that petiole and yes, we can find out some other major parts which can belong into the leaf, and this is the one structure. Yes, this is nodes. This is one node and this is one. Between these two nodes, the length between these two nodes, we can call it as internode. We can call it as internode. Can call it as internode. And this petiole supports to the leaf to attach to the stem area, and with that, this is the major parts of the leaf and the major parts of the stem belonging to the leaf. With that, I will wind up this video. Hope you enjoyed that video, and with that, I conclude my lesson. Thank you very much. In the next lesson, I hope to discuss with you about the types of the leaf and how to differentiate that leaf types. Thank you very much.